Hey, and welcome back to the studio. Today we've got a really simple build featuring a new product of ours. This is the single leg mounting cleat, perfect for when you want to build something simple, maybe with only 3 legs instead of 4. So stay tuned for the build. So for today's build, we're going to be using our new single leg mounting cleats, part number 3911, and all of the information on these is going to be down in the description box down below if you want to check them out. These are going to be sold individually, so you can get as many or as few as you like. In this case, we're just going to be building a simple round end table with only 3 legs, so we've just got 3 legs and 3 cleats. These are especially good for round tables. If you're building something square, you can use any of our regular cleats, whether the straight or the angled ones that usually come in a set of 2 or a set of 4. As an additional option on your order, you can also request that we pre-install the hanger bolt necessary for you. That way you don't have to worry about doing this once you get these. And we'll make sure that they're installed to the correct depth into the leg, so that way when you screw them into the mounting plates, you won't have to worry about any additional hanger bolts sticking out the back either. Now, we picked up this tabletop just from a local hardware store. If you're interested in custom tops, we also have some information on those down below as well. To measure out where we wanted to place our legs, we started out by finding the center of our tabletop. Then we measured out with an angle gauge 120 degrees to get perfect even thirds to give us where we wanted to lay out our cleats. So now we're just going to place our cleats on the underside of our tabletop and lay them down. We decided on a 2-inch overhang from the edge of the top to the edge of the cleat, because once the legs are installed, that would have the very end of the legs even with the outer edge of the tabletop vertically. All right, so now that our cleats are installed, we're going to go ahead and stain our top. We've got a lighter kind of stain for that, and then we can paint our legs white and then attach them. Alright, so now that our top is stained and our legs are painted, we're going to assemble our table. All right, and the table is done. If you want any additional information on any of the parts that we used in this build, including the new single leg angled mounting cleats, our wheeler legs, even the hardware installation service, or a custom tabletop of your own, all of that information will be in the description box down below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, leave us a comment if there are any builds that you'd like to see us do in the future, and we will see you next time in the Builder Studio.